Hey guys, it's me, Gabby again. Today we'll be playing Flood Escape. This is the first time I've ever played, so let's see how we do. Uh, we need, okay, we're not weeks, we'll do medium. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! So I have 3 other people going with me. I don't think it'll be that hard. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna follow that guy. I don't know what to do. I think I've seen other people play this before, but I've never actually played it myself. I think we have to click the buttons. I'm not confident, but I think so. And yeah, that's what I think. But okay, it's not unlocked. Okay, then I'll click the button over there. Oh my god, it's just me now. Oh, I'm scared. I don't know if I can make this. Okay, I'm super close. I'm super close. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Yes. So that's the first game. Where are we going? Oh, there's something up here. Okay, so I have to click the button at the bottom before it starts flooding. Okay, so we click that one. Where are we supposed to go now? I don't know. Are we supposed to go over there? I thought we were supposed to go over there. Then I was dumb. No! I'm gonna drown, I'm gonna drown. I drowned. Well, maybe we should have started on easy and not on medium. Can we go now? Oh, it's full. Well, we can go on medium again. It wasn't that bad. We made it to the second one. So let's see how we do on this one. Okay, do we escape? Okay, we Skype. Okay, do we go here? I'm just gonna follow that guy. Wait, we're supposed to go here. Nope, I messed up. No, I'm so close. Ugh. I could have won. I could have been the winner. There's a round beginning. Let me go, let me go, let me go. Oh. Exit left. I'm going with this girl. Wait, it's a killer boy. Then why you have hair? She's confused of what she is and what she wants to be. What he wants to be, or she, I don't know. I'm confused. Okay, I'm not gonna be rude. I'm not gonna be rude. She chooses her own gender. I think we're supposed to go up here. I don't know. Can we go here? I'm confident we go here. Where do we go now? Click the button. No! I opened the door for them. I clicked the button. I should have survived. Oh, there's a game ready for hard, but I want to try medium again. Just have to wait until 1% loses, and then we're done. So, being my first time in RE going to medium doesn't seem that bad. It's not a bad game. It's super good, and it seems super easy. It's just that you have to focus and time your jumps, but you also don't have a lot of time. So, oh, it's just gonna be me. Well, no, this girl came on with me. Yay! Okay, so it's beginning. The round's beginning. So we're leaving. We're going. We're fine. We're gonna fall. Stop. Oh no! bad. This is bad for a beginner. Okay, so let's try easy, because just a couple people. Let's spectate. Let's spectate Cutie Pie Cat 12. I think that's how you pronounce it. Wait, they missed a button up down there. Oh my god, she's leaving all the work to him. You're so rude. Rudy. Wait, no, you don't need to click the button over there. Oh, I thought you had to. So, I never made it this far. What is this? Wait, where's the other guy? Wait, is this supposed to be a code? Like, to exit? Oh, the room's flooding. Very quick. Let's see someone on medium. Let's see Blinky. Oh yeah, she was with me. Oh, where? What? How's she supposed to get back up? She's gonna die. Okay. I'm leaving now. We're going with me rolling. Okay, wait, what? Where we're supposed to go? Where we're supposed to go? I'm just getting up so I don't have to be here. Okay, so we're supposed to... I don't know where... Oh, we're supposed to go back. Here. Let's go here at all. Wait. Okay, there's only 6 people. Can I make it? Can I actually make it in time? There are 4 of us. Or I'm missing. Yeah. Hey, come. Let's go. Okay. Where's the... Okay, now we go up here. Let me go up here. Okay. So she's... Oh, there's a button over here. It'll be helpful. I'll click that button. Okay. Now that I click that button, I'm supposed to go over here, I think. And here. I've seen people play. Just remember that. I just never played before. Myself, I've seen people play. I've seen Dennis and Coral and Scoopy and Sketch and Alex play before. And yeah. So I kind of have like some experience, kind of. Not a lot, and I've also seen Sub play. I have some experience, not a lot, but I have like good enough. Like not personal experience, but like from other people playing. Is the flood coming in? No. Wait, okay, no. Let's go. 3 people left. Then I'll have to click this button here. I was stuck up there. Wait, why isn't it move? Okay, I don't know. Wait, where's the game glitching? Where is she up there? No! Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? You guys see this, don't you? I fell in the water, and I'm not dead. There's no one here. Wait, what? I can't get it in. What? Okay, you guys saw that. Okay, it's not my fault. I don't know what happened. It glitched. It really glitched. So, don't know what happened there. Oh, well, that's full now. So I'm going up to you and see how this works, and hope this works fine. Just fine. Where are we supposed to go? Where are we supposed to go? Oh, we go up here. Where are we supposed to go? Where we were? If you're supposed to go somewhere, no. It's up here. Ah! Oh, that's bad. Oh yeah, I just remember. From now on, I'll be doing shoutouts. So if you're here, if you comment, I'll try to comment. Every day. And if I miss a shout out, I will say the shout outs from the day before that. So if I don't shout out your name, please comment and tell me that I didn't shout out your name, because I really want everyone that's watching me get a shout out. So yeah. So if you want a shout out, comment down below, and that's all you have to do. So yeah, let's spectate some people. He's making it. He's doing fine. He's doing great. Wait, the flood's coming. He has the coil, like the coil that makes you jump out of there. That's cool. I wish I had one. Wait, can you buy it? Oh, I wanna see. Wait. Oh yeah, you can buy it. A weak gravity coil makes you jump higher. Which is this? Oh, 12 wins. I don't even have one win. 65 points. What is this? When equipped, this powerful sword will be able to find buttons for you. Okay, I need to get out of here. Where are we going? Where are we supposed to go? I don't know where we're supposed to go. I've never done this one. Okay, nope, get back up. Get back up, because, yeah. Oh my god, I almost fell. Okay, where are we supposed to go? See you. Wait. Okay, we're fine. Wait, so... I made it in. Wait, there's a lot of people. Okay, we're fine. We all made it. We all made it. Wait, don't push me. Don't push me. Yeah. We've made it. We've made it. We've made it. Wait, what is... We're still... No one's clicking that button. Okay, that girl's gonna click that button. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. I'm doing fine. Okay, I'm just keeping my eye up. That's why it stopped. Yes! We made it. There's only 4 of us left. Oh, I'm going up here. Those were... Where else are we supposed to go? Easy. Okay. I'm just gonna follow that girl. I think she knows what she's doing, and I don't, so... I don't know where we're supposed to go. Wait, it's right under me. Okay, I'm just gonna follow my instinct. And yeah. Nope, I fell off. Okay, I should have been paying attention. But it was so close. I could have won. I think they should give you a win every room you do. Because that seems unfair. If you don't make it through the 3 rooms, then you can't win. Oh yeah, it's starting. 6-5. Someone come with me, someone. Yes. Okay, so we'll be finishing the game on this game. So if I don't make it, then this will be our last game for today. Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm a noob at this. Because I definitely suck at it. Wait, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine. Fine, we're fine. Nope, we're not fine. I think we'll be ending it on that note. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and comment for a shout out. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.